What's good, everybody? It's your boy John. I'm back here at Six Flags Magic Mountain. Today is Friday, September 3rd, and I'm here for another bonus Raptor update. So arriving on site, hard to tell if there's been significant change yet, but it looks like there's a lot of work going on over in the background, so we'll get over there in a bit. But here's an overlook of the whole area from here. Here's a quick overlook from the Batman queue. Not too much has changed. I'm not sure if they poured in these footers yet. So as you can see, coming over here, what an amazing sight. The pile caps are finished as of this side of the layout. I'll go over there to get a better look and see how many there are actually done. But yeah, take a look at that. So as you can see from here, they have got a ton of pile caps complete. I'm gonna count them in 1 second. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. I can count at least 24 from here that are topped off. So what you're seeing here is he's taking out the insert that they placed, the plastic PVC insert, out of the center of the footer in order for the column to be able to be placed inside of there, the male piece. So you see him remove that white plastic, and then he'll put the washer or the ring. Maybe someone could tell me exactly what that's called. Pretty sure it's like the base plate or something. But yeah, they're getting them done one by one. Here's a close-up look at one of them. Here's a shot of one that they haven't removed the sono tube off of yet. So here's a quick look from over here by Riddler's exit. You can see how many tops they've got done. after coming over here closer to Riddler's actual exit, I've noticed that they've got one of the huge foundations poured already to the top. This is a great sign to see. This leads me to believe that they'll most likely be going vertical sooner than later, and also sooner than we know it, or than we were originally thinking, I should say. Looks like they're really trying to get these set and ready so they can get some equipment over in this area, because it is actually quite a tight space here between this barbecue restaurant, Justice League, and Riddler's. So they'll most likely want to get those bigger cranes in here earlier in the progress so they can get everything vertical in this area, and they won't have to move big equipment in after that. Here's a quick overlook from this angle. So some of you have been asking about a Tatsu update. So I figure I'd give you a little quick one. They have the station music on. I heard that they were running a few test cycles this morning. I can't confirm that 100%, but it's most likely true. I also see there is a ladder in there towards the front side, but I can't see if it's on the track or not. So that's going to conclude it for this week's bonus update. I figured I'd do another update this week. One, because of what was happening today, as well as most likely won't be back at the park until Wednesday because the workers will be off for the holiday weekend and there probably won't be anything significant going on till that day. So I'll be back then, and appreciate everybody tuning in for this one and the last one. And until next week, this is John, and this has been your Theme Park ERT.